What up guys, Andrew here with LG Billet USA. We've been getting tons of comments, DMs, and emails for the NBS headlight knob. You guys asked, you shall receive. These headlight knobs are gonna come in two options, the raw machine finish and the black anodized. It's pretty easy to install, no tools needed. All you're gonna need is your fingers. Remember, before placing your orders, to select the year range of your truck. The reason behind this is the headlight control panel's shaft size differs between the year ranges. Either you're a 99 to 02 or an 03 to 06. Add it to cart, place your order. And that's it. Your NBS headlight knob is that simple to install. Once again, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In that comment, let us know what option you chose.